Hey, what's up everyone? Isaac here. So doing a quick video on if you should paint your color kitchen interior different than the interior walls. So we currently finished rehabbing this place behind me, and the door swung open, but I'll show you that color of the door as well. It's like a crazy light blue. I think it's awesome. I saw it online, Home Depot, and I just took a screenshot and we went with that color. So the question, should you paint your interior kitchen a different color than your walls? So as you can see, all of our interior walls are all gray to kind of match with the floor being gray. So this is the first time we decide to take a different direction and paint our kitchen a different color than the interior color. So usually all our properties are the same. All the interior walls are gonna be the same color, even in the bathrooms. But in this time, we decided to take a different direction and we left the kitchen white. And then we have gray walls. So we thought it was gonna be a little bit risky, a different approach to how everyone is renovating their properties, the same. They use the same interior color all around the house. As you can see, we have this cool big room over here, and it's all gray as well. I'll show you a bedroom. So now we're in the bedroom, and as you can see, it's gray as well. So we took a different approach this time. We decided to leave the kitchen white versus matching it to all the interior walls. So I'm gonna turn this around so you can check it out. All right, here is our kitchen. So as you can see, the kitchen walls are white to match with the cabinets. And we have the gray countertops. And then our interior is a different color, gray. As you can see here, we kind of extended the white to the dining area as well. And that's why you see the two different colors here. So our kitchen is white, matching our cabinets, and we got the gray countertops. And then our living room is gray. So we kind of kept that same flow and we extended that to the bathrooms. So as you can see, gray walls, and then our bathroom walls are white. Check out this beautiful renovation we did here. Porcelain tile, some white cabinets, gray countertops. Our awesome tile showers going all the way up. So yeah, there you have it. White walls in the bathroom, kitchen, and our interior walls of the house are all gray. Gray bedroom, gray bedroom, gray bedroom. Our next bath is also white, as you can see. So we have white walls in the bathrooms and white walls in our kitchen. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of this two-tone that we went with versus doing all the same interior color walls. We switched it up on this property and we did gray interior walls, and then we painted the kitchen and the bathrooms white. So kind of a different direction that we were going. Let me know what you guys think, and hopefully this inspires you if you guys are doing some home renovations, give you different ideas to paint your kitchen different and your bathrooms different color versus having all the same colors around your house. So let's walk into the backyard. I'm going to show you this beautiful deck that we also built. Give you a quick little glance of it. I'm going to turn this camera around so you guys can see this awesome deck. There you go, we're walking out of the master. So this is the master bedroom. We added this beautiful slider here so you guys could wake up, get a beautiful view every day, get a fresh breeze. You can't feel it in the video, but out here I could feel the awesome breeze going in through this slider. Check out the size of this deck. And we also added a slider window, a slider door to one of the guest bedrooms next door to it. Check out this beautiful deck for entertainment. Got a little bit of some San Diego views here, down in Encanto. And if we zoom in, we can see a little bit of the base over there on 32nd Street. Those guys that were stationed there, you guys know that's the base on 32nd. So yeah, here we have this beautiful deck. And another slider on this part of the house. And again, here we go. The gray interior walls. Got these awesome can lights here. Now we're walking back into the kitchen. So awesome, here we are back in the kitchen. So here's a great idea for you guys doing some home renovations. You're thinking about painting the interior color of your kitchen different than the interior color of your walls. So we've got gray here, white kitchen, gray there. So yeah, give me a comment below, subscribe, and like this video. Let me know what you guys think of the two different colors of adding to your interior walls versus doing the same color, just as every other investor is renovating their properties here in San Diego. Let me know what you guys think, and make sure to give me a like, give me a subscribe, and give me a comment. Thank you very much. Hopefully you guys share it, and hopefully you found some cool stuff that you guys could implement in your properties, whether you're an investor or you're just a homeowner looking to add a different look into your interior properties. Well, thank you very much. Isaac here, and you guys take care.